So I want to test for the KA001. The label of the reset button is all capitals and the local decision is not changed to French. It should be that the label of the reset button is not completely capitalized and will change to French if I change the local decision to French. This also occur in the intentional internship. Okay, so for the first one, I want to go to the internship window, students on internship. In here, I check there is reset button. Okay, this is a reset button. The issue is in the uh, in the student on internship and in internship, yeah. But actually, internship. The reset button is not all the capitalized. Okay. When I hover, it's very reset. And I want to change it to the French. It should be changed also in the French when I'm using the French precision. The test or check functionality of the receiver. This is guys, and I select accept work, share. Yeah, when I check in here, for the first one, it should appear in the intentional school internship tab and student on internship. Yeah. So I want to use the intentional school. Now the reset button is not all capitalized and I hover to the button reset should be displayed 20%. Change to the French also and display capitalized or they're using the French. Okay, and I want to check using the filters. After that I check for the functionality of reset button. Display the back to the default what what the data is displayed. So another issue claim potentially status missing French localization. See, then check here. I hover. This is empty. Check the localization and this is fine. Okay, I check in here also. edit, check edit, because using the program, okay, and display empty, position to French, that is the header column is changed to French also, and the placeholder also, and I checked the top-down option filters, filter and what I checked for adjust the order edits in the invoice, then I should display here, and I move over to the potential list edit, should display to tip like French, using French, check out, so click now and please fill the competency list table and reset button. It's working properly.